On the lake, the deep forbidden lake, the old boats go gliding by, and the leaves are falling from the trees and landing on the logs, and I see the turtles heading for the ball and falling off the log. They make the water splash, and feeling no backlash, they climb the happy banks. On the boats, the old and creaky boats, the shoreline goes gliding by, and the wind that was a dying breeze is making the banners fly. See the colors floating on the sky, the pride of the captain's eye, as he guides his slender craft inside and opens up the door. On the coast, the long and tempting coast, the cards on the table lie, and a speech so eloquent and rich was made by a passerby, passing by the way between here and left behind, and it ripples through the crowds who run and cast their doubts in the deep forbidden lake. Yes, it echoes through the